Look for the holes. It's right behind the steering wheel. It's on both sides. One is on the left and one is on the right. It's under the paddle shift. There are two holes basically. Ignition off. Make sure the battery is disconnected. Use a screwdriver, Torx screwdriver. Insert it in one of the hole. Try to feel the spring and try to press it. Use your other hand to pull the horn pad out. If it is not possible, tilt the steering wheel on right side like this. Now try to insert the Torx screwdriver on one of the hole. Feel the spring and press it inside. Again try it. It's a bit tricky. You can see it's pop up and the horn pad is out from one side. Now we can use the same screwdriver on the other hole. Same way we can just press it inside and the horn pad will be out, as you can see in the video. Now we need to disconnect the horn pad from the airbag connections. Use the hook carefully. You can use any other plastic wedge as well. Disconnect both of the connectors carefully. Always. Steering wheel is out now. These are our new paddle shifters. Turn the steering wheel upside down. Unscrew both of the screws on the paddle shifters. Pull the shifters out of the groove. Now we need to disconnect the connectors from both of the paddle shifters. Be careful, don't scratch the steering wheel. Shifters are out now. Now we need to remove the electronic part out of the shifters. We can see this steel needle is there. It's out now. Yes. Use the new shifter. Watch carefully while installing. There are rubber grooves are also there, not damaged. Always check for the free play. Insert the steel pin. Always use mallet hammer. Press it completely. Feel the level. If it is level, it's done. Same way we can change the second shifter as well. We can use any pin to remove the steel pin out of the shifter. You can take help from any other person. Now pin is out. Now we can remove the pin by hand. Easily it is out. Now we will install in the extended shifter. Carefully slide the shifter into the paddle shift and insert the pin. Just level the surface and we can start installing by connecting the connectors. We can use hook to insert the connector inside the groove. Be very careful while working. Let's not damage any wire and the steering wheel. Once it is done, we can just put the screw back. Tight it properly. Always check the shifter for free play and proper movement. In the same way, we will connect the other shifter. Always recheck for any loose connection. Steering wheel is ready for the installation. Check for the marking. Centralize the steering wheel. Fix the steering angle sensor connector. Tight the steering wheel. Fix the connector. Lock it. Match the color, yellow to yellow, brown to brown. Airbag connectors, fix them properly. Lock it by pressing it by the finger. Last stage, fix the horn pad. Set the horn pad in proper grooves. Check for the free movement and press it inside. Check for proper functioning. Check all the sides for the proper gapping. Horn pad, okay. Look for the holes